Welcome to our tutorial on how to turn on Facebook notifications for tags from everyone on your PC. With the latest update, Facebook has made it easier than ever to stay informed about who's tagging you in posts, photos, and comments. Let's dive right in and walk through the simple steps to enable these notifications. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a row of icons. We're interested in the bell-shaped notifications icon. Click on this icon to open your notifications panel. Now, in the notifications panel, you'll see a small three-dot menu icon. It might be easy to miss, but it's there. Click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with more options. From this drop-down, select Notifications Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can customize all your Facebook notification preferences. On the Notification Settings page, scroll down until you find the Tags section. Click on it to expand the options. Here's where the magic happens. Look for the option that says, Get notified when you're tagged by. Next to this, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and select Anyone from the list of options. And there you have it. You've successfully turned on notifications for tags from everyone on Facebook. Now, whenever anyone tags you in a post, photo, or comment, you'll receive a notification, ensuring you never miss an important mention or fun interaction. Remember, you can always come back to this settings page to adjust your preferences if you find you're getting too many notifications. Facebook gives you the flexibility to customize your experience to suit your needs. Thanks for watching our tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips and tricks. Happy Facebooking!